show you how you can crochet the loop stitch in rows. I'm just using random yarn. We're gonna start off with a slip knot, and whatever your patterns tells you to, just make the chains that you need to make. So I'm gonna do, for this example, we're just gonna do like 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm gonna do a rows of single crochets. I like to crochet in the loop here, because you get a like nice even row then. The next stitch. Now you can chain one and turn, and this is where it gets interesting. So you have to hold your finger up like this, and then insert the hook in the single crochet, go up and around and grab the yarn from behind. Let me do this one more time. So insert the hook, go up and grab the yarn from behind, yarn over and pull through, and this is your loop here, your loop stitch. And you can make it like bigger with just pulling the chain like this, or you can just pull in this one and you can make it smaller. And then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now the next, so insert the hook, go behind, grab the yarn and pull through, grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. Now we have a couple of loops here. So this is the next one. So you can remember, you can adjust here by pulling the loop or this strand, and over and pull through all 3 loops. This is how to make it in rows. You can also make it in rounds. I have another video about that. I can link to you in the descriptions below. And also I'm using the loop stitches to make in some of my patterns, to make the beard for the gnome. And now we have to chain 1 and turn a work, and if you do loop stitches here, the other loops will be on the wrong side. So we're gonna just do a normal round of single crochets here. And now we're at the end, so chain 1, flip your work and find your first stitch here, go up behind, grab the yarn and pull through. This is so easy once you get used to it, and you can just grab a normal pattern and replace the single crochets with the loop stitch, and you have something different. you just continue repeating this. Do chain 1 and do a normal single crochet, and then chain 1 and do the loop stitch row. So I hope you like this tutorial. Be sure to check out the free patterns where you can use these loop stitches. So I wish you a nice day. Goodbye.